As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Nexgrill, and trying to figure out which is better. The ChuMaste is cheaper, only $168.99, while the Nexgrill is $265.79.
Yeah, price is definitely a factor, but let's look at what you get for the money, right? The ChuMaste is a 3-burner grill putting out 30,000 BTUs. The Nexgrill only has 2 burners and 28,000 BTUs.
True, but the cooking area on the ChuMaste is 464.8 square inches, and the Nexgrill is 401 square inches. So you get more grilling space with the ChuMaste.
Okay, good point. But what about build quality? The Nexgrill boasts stainless steel and porcelain-coated cast iron grates. The ChuMaste is also stainless steel, but some reviews mention issues with bent pieces and thin materials.
I saw that too. The Nexgrill has better customer ratings, 4.3 compared to the ChuMaste's 4.1, and way more reviews, 360 against only 67. People seem generally happier with the Nexgrill's quality.
Plus, the Nexgrill has foldable side tables for prep space, a built-in thermometer, and it's even convertible to natural gas if you wanted to down the line.
The ChuMaste also has foldable side tables and a thermometer. It's more compact overall. Dimensions of 22.83, DX 27.56, WX 17.32H versus the Nexgrill's 22.44, DX 42.52, WX 46.46H. So if space is a major constraint, the ChuMaste wins there.
Right, but the Nexgrill has those porcelain-coated cast iron grates which are supposed to be easier to clean and more durable. The ChuMaste has detachable oil collection cups, that's good, but the reviews also warn about food fat causing fires.
That's not ideal. So even though the ChuMaste is cheaper and has more burners and cooking space, the Nexgrill seems like a better investment in the long run because of the build quality and features.
Exactly! And the Nexgrill ships from Amazon directly, which can be more reliable. The ChuMaste has multiple sellers, some with lower ratings.
Okay, you've convinced me. I think the Nexgrill is the better option. Even with the higher price tag, it's worth it for the quality and peace of mind. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.